In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build an AI-assisted knowledge base in ClickUp. First, open your workspace in ClickUp. From the left sidebar, select Whiteboards. Then click Home within Whiteboards to land on Recent Spaces and Docs. This is a quick way to orient yourself. Next, open the space where you want the knowledge base, e.g., company docs, product, or team wiki. Spaces are ideal because they can be shared across teams while keeping everything organized in one place. Tip: choose the space where most stakeholders already collaborate. That reduces change management. Now open the space menu. Click the three dots next to the space name. Choose Templates, then Browse Templates to open the full library. Search for a knowledge base template. Set the filter to all template types so you can see options that combine docs, lists, and folders. In the search bar, type knowledge base. Review the results and pick a template that fits your audience, team, clients, or partners, and the style you prefer, whether minimal, hierarchical, or detail-heavy. Click Use Template. When prompted, give it a clear name like Team Knowledge Base, Product Help Center, or Client Onboarding KB, then click Use Template again to add it to your space. Once the template loads, you'll see starter structure such as folders or sections like processes, SOPs, FAQs, or getting started, along with example docs and lists as placeholders. Customize it to match how your team actually works. Rename folders or categories, add sections you need, and delete or archive anything you won't maintain. Keeping it lean now makes it easier to keep current later. With the skeleton in place, use ClickUp AI to draft and refine content. Open a doc inside the knowledge base and click Ask AI. Use short prompts to create starter articles like write a 200-word guide on how to use the dashboard. Generate outlines for new sections, convert long internal notes or emails into short, scannable how-tos, and standardize headings, intros, and call to action text. You can also adjust the tone so entries sound consistent, even with multiple authors. Finally, turn it into a living AI-assisted hub. As your team contributes, stick to the same folder structure and a consistent format such as overview, steps, and FAQ. Treat the knowledge base as a living system. Update outdated docs, use AI to refresh older content, and add new categories as your processes evolve. That's all for today. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.